Are you wondering how to create an effective business plan? What does a business plan contain? And how can you create it as efficiently as possible to catch investors? You are in the right place. Watch this video until the end, and you will have personal answers to all these questions. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of entrepreneurship and discussing a vital aspect of starting any successful business, creating a comprehensive business plan. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, a well-thought-out business plan is crucial for your venture's success. It serves as a roadmap that outlines your business's mission, vision, goals, and strategies, providing clarity and direction for both you and potential investors. So let's get started with 15 essential tips and suggestions to help you craft an effective business plan. Tip 1. Understand your purpose. Before you begin writing your business plan, it's essential to understand its purpose. Are you creating it to guide your internal team, attract investors, secure a business loan, or something else? Tailoring your plan to fulfill its intended purpose ensures that you address the right topics and focus on the most critical aspects of your business. Tip 2. Research your market. One of the fundamental elements of a successful business plan is understanding your market thoroughly. Conduct market research to identify your target audience, their needs, preferences, and behaviors. Analyze industry trends and keep a close eye on your competitors to spot opportunities and threats. Armed with this knowledge, you can develop a strategy that positions your business for success. Tip 3. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. Your unique selling proposition, or USP, is what sets your business apart from competitors. It's the reason why customers should choose your products or services over others. Your USP should be compelling and easily understood. It could be anything from exceptional customer service to innovative product features. Highlighting your USP in your business plan will help investors see the value your business brings to the market. Tip 4. Outline your business structure. The legal structure of your business is a crucial aspect to address in your business plan. Choose the most appropriate structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has its advantages and disadvantages concerning taxes, liability, and management. Defining your business structure helps you comply with legal requirements and ensures that your business is set up for success. 5. Develop a solid executive summary. Your executive summary is the introduction to your business plan, but it is arguably the most critical part. It should be clear, concise, and compelling, grabbing the reader's attention from the start. Briefly introduce your business idea, mission, USP, target market, and financial projections. The executive summary should provide a snapshot of your entire business plan and convince readers to delve deeper into the details. Tip 6. Describe your products or services. In this section, detail the products or services your business offers. Explain how they address your target market's needs and provide solutions. Include information on product features, pricing, production processes, if applicable, and any relevant intellectual property protection. Clearly communicating the value of your offerings will help investors understand the potential for success in the market. Tip 7. Create a comprehensive marketing strategy. Your marketing strategy outlines how you'll attract and retain customers. It should cover various aspects, including market positioning, branding, advertising, and promotions. Consider the most effective channels to reach your target audience, such as social media, email marketing, SEO, or traditional advertising methods. Your marketing budget should be realistic and tailored to achieve your business goals. 8. Focus on financial projections. Financial projections are a crucial part of your business plan, showing potential investors that you've carefully considered the financial viability of your venture. Include sales forecasts, cash flow statements, and profit and loss projections for the next 3 to 5 years. Make sure your projections are realistic and based on thorough market research and reasonable assumptions. Tip 9. Consider risk assessment and mitigation. No business is entirely risk-free. and investors are well aware of this fact. In this section, identify potential risks and challenges your business may face and outline strategies to mitigate them. Addressing risks up front demonstrates your proactive approach to managing uncertainties and can instill confidence in potential investors. Tip 10. Set measurable goals. Successful business plans have clear and measurable goals. Use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to set objectives that are meaningful and realistic. Whether it's revenue targets, market share growth, or customer acquisition, having well-defined goals allows you to track your progress and make data-driven decisions. 11. Build a strong team. Your team is a crucial asset, and investors want to know that your business is in capable hands. In this section, introduce key team members and their roles, emphasizing their relevant skills and experience. Highlight any accomplishments or accolades that demonstrate their qualifications to run the business successfully. 12. Include a SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis is a strategic tool that helps you evaluate your business's internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as external opportunities and threats. By conducting a SWOT analysis, you gain valuable insights into your business's current position and potential areas for improvement. Use this information to fine-tune your strategies and capitalize on opportunities while addressing weaknesses and threats. Tip 13. Incorporate an implementation plan. Your implementation plan outlines how you'll execute your business strategies and achieve your goals. Break it down into actionable steps with clear timelines and responsibilities for each task. This roadmap will help you and your team stay on track and measure progress over time. Tip 14. Ensure clarity and professionalism. Keep your business plan clear, concise, and professional. Avoid using technical jargon or complex language that may confuse readers. Use appropriate headings, bullet points, and visuals to make the plan easy to navigate and understand. A polished and professional business plan reflects well on your commitment and attention to detail. Tip 15. Review and revise regularly. A business plan is a living document that should evolve with your business. Regularly review and update it to reflect changes in the market, your goals, and your progress. By keeping your plan up to date, you'll be better prepared to adapt to market shifts and make informed strategic decisions. Congratulations! You've learned the fundamentals of creating a powerful business plan. Remember, a well-crafted plan not only attracts investors, but also serves as a roadmap for your success. Take your time, do thorough research, and ensure each section of your business plan is well thought out and supported by data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey.